How to do Exness deposit and withdrawal. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can deposit money into your Exness and how you can withdraw money from your Exness. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Exness mobile application and you can click on the link given in the description below in order to avail 10% discount on all of your future transactions. And then once you click on that link, you will be redirected to your Exness interface. So here, in order to deposit money into your Exness account, you can click on deposit and then you gotta select any of the payment methods from the options. For example, I'm gonna click on Binance Pay. So once you click on Binance Pay, you're gonna select the account and then you're gonna select the USD, like you'll be able to see the USD you have in your account right now. And then you're gonna type down the amount. Now, for example, you gotta type down the amount of the country you're residing in. For example, I'm going to type down 15. Now you can see that the currency of the country I'm residing in is USD. So to be deposited is USD as well. So then you can just click on continue and select your Binance Pay account and your money would be deposited into your Exness account. Now withdrawal is also simple. You gotta just click on withdraw over here. And then you're going to select any payment methods. For example, I'm going to select Binance Pay. And then you're going to select the currency you wish to withdraw. Now, note that you need to have that much of currency in your account that you can withdraw. Here, I don't really have any currency. That's why this option is not available for me. But if you do have a currency, that you'll be able to see that this option is functional for you. And you can select the USD. And then you can type down the amount. For example, I'm going to type down the amount such as whichever amount, and now I don't really have any balance again, so that's why it's written like not enough money. But if you do have that much balance, you just type down and then click on continue and then select your Binance Pay account, and that amount of money would be withdrawn to your Binance Pay from your Exness account. So those were simple deposit and withdraw options in Exness. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.